All right, what is expected value? Let's say you roll a die, or you rolled 2 dice, even better, and you add them together. Expected value is going to talk about what is the most likely outcome. Well, here are all of the outcomes, and here are their sums. So what do you think is going to happen if you roll 2 dice? What is the most likely outcome? Chances are you're going to get a 7. That feels pretty likely considering all of the other possibilities. And if you look at the probability chart, this is simply confirmed because the biggest value you're going to find on here is 1/6. Everything else is smaller than that, so that's the most likely outcome. If you want to actually calculate the likelihood, what we're going to do is we would take the outcomes themselves and multiply them by the probabilities of getting each of those outcomes. So we'd start with 2 times 1 out of 36. To that we would add 3 times 1 out of 18, etc. And by the time that you're done with that, you will just get 7. So that is the expected value of the sum of 2 dice. But what if it looks a little bit different? Let's say you lived somewhere where happy people are, where every single day the probability of it being sunny is 85%, but every day, this is important, it's going to be independent of each other. So if it's sunny today, that has no bearing on whether or not it'll be sunny tomorrow. But it's 85%. I'm feeling winter right now. Okay, well then you've got yourself a binomial distribution because either every day is sunny or it's not. But either way you're happy because we all live in the place of happy people. Maybe. Anyways, so let's say you want to know how many days in a week is it going to be sunny. Well, in a week, there are 7 days. Really, what you're going to get is just some percentage of 7, and that percentage is going to be 85%. So when you have a binomial distribution, the expected value is going to be the number of trials multiplied by the probability. So for us, the expected sunny days is going to be 7 times 85%, or almost 6 days. If you want an even easier way of thinking about this, what if we had 100 days? 100 days, not in a week, just we have 100 days. Well then, the expected value of sunny days in 100 trials would be 100 times 85%, which should get you, my friends, 85 days. That's really all it is. And for what it's worth, in a Poisson distribution, the expected value is the mean. And in a normal distribution, guess what? It's the mean. Well, let me know if you have questions.